How to make infinite craft in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to open up your game, and after that you need to bring earth on your board, then bring water on top of it. This will create plant for you. Now you need to add plant to it. Let me find the plant, and here you go. It will create tree for you. Now you need to add tree to it, and it will create forest for you. Now you need to add forest to it, and it will create jungle for you. After that you need to bring earth on board and bring fire on top of it. It will create lava. Now you need to bring water on it, and it will create stone for you. After that you need to bring wind on top of stone, and it will create sand for you. After that bring fire on top of sand, and it will create glass for you. After that you need to bring fire on board, and then bring wind on top of fire, and this way you would create smoke. Now you need to bring smoke on glass, and it will create mirror for you. After that bring earth on board, then bring wind on top of earth. It will create dust. Now we need to bring fire on top of dust. It will create ash for us. Now we need to bring fire on ash, and it will create phoenix for us. Now after that we need to bring water on board. After bringing water on board, just bring dust on top of water. It will create mud for you. After that bring phoenix and mud together, and it will create a bird for you. After that take this bird in jungle, and it will create a parrot for you. After that you need to bring earth on board, and then bring another earth on top of it, and it will create mountain for you. Now get this mountain on mirror, and it will create echo. After that you need to add this echo to parrot, and it will create repeat for you. Now we need to add another repeat on top of repeat, and it will create loop for us. Now we need to add another repeat on loop, and it will create infinite for us. Now we need to bring fire on board. After that bring water on top of it, and now we will get steam. After that we will bring fire on top of steam, and it will create engine for us. Now bring earth on board. After that bring fire on top of earth. This will create lava for us. After that bring water on top of lava, and it will create stone for us. Now we need to bring wind on top of stone, and it will create sand for us. Now bring this sand to engine, and it will create sandbox for us. After that bring earth on top of your board. After that bring wind on earth, and this way it will create dust for us. Now we need to bring earth on dust, and it will create planet for us. After that bring that planet to sandbox, and it will create Minecraft for us. After that you need to bring this particular Minecraft on Infinite, and this is how you will be able to get Infinite Craft, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button, and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.